Hello, good afternoon. My name is Shruti Thal and I am from Jammu.
Radhe Radhe. My name is Muskan Saini. I am a student of Atirat M01 batch.
Hello everyone, I'm Sushma. I'm from Haryana.
This is VIBHA and I've secured All India rank of 59.
Good morning everyone. My name is MEHRA and I am from Atirat batch.
I'm Manvi Bansal from Atirat batch.
Good morning everyone. My name is PRIYANKA. I am from Rajasthan.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Naude. I am from Pune, Maharashtra.
Personified is helping a lot in fulfilling my dreams and I am very happy that I joined Atirat batch.
In this journey, Be Personified helped me a lot. It provided me with the online classes.
All the teachers of Be Personified are so multi-talented.
For my written preparation, I had enrolled myself into the Be Personified courses 2021. It is the best platform all over the India.
I have been a part of Be Personified since last year, and talking about my experience in Be Personified, it's really an amazing and wonderful experience.
All the teachers are amazing. They teach us in a great manner. They don't let any single student in doubt or in any confusion.
I am very thankful to Be Personified faculties for giving me such an opportunity and providing every possible thing which are required by MNS syllabus.
I joined Be Personified as for my MNS preparation. It's a very good decision.
बी पर्सोनिफाइड की क्लासेस होती हैं वो रेगुलर होती हैं, लाइव इंटरैक्टिव सेशंस होती हैं, हम टीचर से डायरेक्ट डाउट पूछ सकते हैं, इवन 24 आवर डाउट सेशंस भी होते हैं.
I got All India rank 33 and I'm selected for Army Hospital Research and Referral Delhi Camp.
मैंने अपना MNS 2021 का एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई किया है विद स्कोर 112 मार्क्स. इसके लिए मैं बी पर्सोनिफाइड टीम को थैंकफुल कहना चाहती हूँ.
I would like to say thanks to Mr. Vishal sir for their great idea.
Thanks for everything. Thanks for the motivation sessions.
I'm also very thankful to be a part of this family.
Big thank you to everyone for cheering up, for motivating us, for always believing in us.
I am thankful for Vishal sir as well as Deepak sir.
My journey